So finally, after a countless sleepless night and working with our teams and a bunch of developers and trying to solve the bugs and trying to figure it out, like how the product would be looking out, because we had like no idea that how the product would be looking it and what we would be offering to the students. So the platform name is been a SWE180. Like you might have been had a glimpse of it, or you might have been hear it, but now it's the official type that SW180 is been live. So you just have to go on Google, search it out SWE180.com, and you will be landing to the amazing website. So amazing website, like you can look on screen. So being a software engineer into the 180 days, all the resources are would be getting it. So by the way, don't judge this website on the first look of this, because this is just a fun start. We are going to build a next level and crazy stuff in this. Just need your support, that's it. So yeah, we had like a different approaches and everything would be coming like in a shorter duration of time once all the things have been aligned, because stars also need to be aligned for this. So as you can click on the resources, you can see the amazing resources which have been available on this website. First of all, DSA visualizer with them, so you can visualize each and every data structure and algorithm. So if you wanted to look about like array insertion of elements, how the insertion of elements, you can read about it. Time complexity, you can look at around like code, you can copy the code snippets. Similar with the binary search algorithm, like how does it work, you wanted to understand it much more deeper, come here, just watch the videos. I have explained it. You can generate a new array, and with a different examples you can watch it. Similar with binary trees, we have graphs, we have hash table, we have AVL tree, we have heap, we have then queues, we have stack, we have, so every element we have built it, and this has been a core essential concept you need to be a aspiring to or need to be a software engineer. That's amazing, right? And this is gonna be all the free free Portugal tools and resources have been there. You can come at any time and you can learn it from here. And by the way, we are also going to launch something crazy, so that like anyone haven't done till now. So stay tuned for that also. Then we have like interview core subjects, so be it like computer networks, like all the questions. These have been questions which have been frequently asked in a top of the companies in the interview questions, and you can like sort out like whichever like question you want, and you can solve it. So we have like computer networks, OS, DBMS, all the questions have been done. Oops, we have then system design, we have like all the questions. Then SQL, DSA questions also we have. Swift, by the way, I am iOS developer, so Swift would be mandatory. Yeah. So we have Swift. Then programming like core subjects like be it like a C++, Python, then Java. So here you can just practice it enough. So if you are preparing like seriously for the placements, and if it's your placement time, then one of an advice, just come on this website daily, revise just in morning, revise this all of our core subjects in morning daily, so you can just track like progress. Also we have like progress feature, so you can just click on it and track your progress, like how many questions you have done. You can also mark like important questions, like if you wanted to revise or revisit something like that, so you can do that. So that was like core subjects. We have like a few of our roadmaps, like if you wanted to understand about like DSA pattern roadmap, you can just view the PDF. I was dev roadmap, and if you wanted to crack top of MNCs or a company, or want like best of a placement, I made like amazing of a roadmap. You can check it out here. So then we have like most of important thing, that is a beginners DSA SWE180 sheet. So this is not like a SD sheet or something. This is just a beginner DSA sheet. So if you I wanted to learn like DSM, then this is just like beginner DSA sheet. So you should be aware about like about the array basics, how the searching and updation, same with searching techniques, sorting techniques, linked list basis like insertion, deletion, a few of operation like traversal and reversal and that kind of a thing. Same with doubly linked list, stack, skew, tree. So these all are the basics of question in which you can just can solve it, can take a note of it, can have a revision and study some of them. So if you wanted to start into the DSA, start with this sheet. Then we would be also having a what we call SD course sheet. So would be from a medium to easy level and hard level of questions. And we have also a advanced DSA sheet which consists of about like a top or a toughest or a hardest level of questions would be there. And that all things have been coming up in the much of upcoming time. So based on your response and suggestions and feedback, we'll be launching it that soon. So that thing has been there. Then you can give a mock interview with me. So you can just connect on our TopMate. We will be having a mock interview. You just need to click over here. You can just schedule it a one-on-one session with me. And you might be thinking why here it has been chargeable. This has been chargeable because like here I had to like figure it out like what all the questions can like be frequently asked into the specific company. So based on like your interview level, so it can be easy or it can be moderate level or a medium level or it can be hard level of a mock interview. So based on that and on the base of like which role you have been targeting it. So based on that, I will be taking your mock interview. So you can just book any of our slots on a given time, and then we can have one-on-one mock interview. Because you know that mock interview is like a thing in which you will be able to know that where you have been lying it, what all the things that need to be improved, what all the things on which we can work upon it. Would be having like one-on-one conversation, and we'll be having like complete feedback after completing our interview. So it's one of our best thing. Let's have a mock interview if you are interested. Let me tell you real thing. Also I have to bear this all the server cost and domain cost and developer cost. So I also need money. So I'll be trying to recover or trying to get money from this mock interview and get paid to developer. Otherwise like they won't be working for further, and we won't be able to build it up for the what we had aimed for it. So please book a mock interview. Please book it, please, my request. So further moving, like just I told about like a DSA beginner sheet. We have like a HR interview sheet, so which will be considered about like HR questions which have been frequently asked into the top of our MNC. So there have been 50 questions which have been most of important. Same we have like resume review. So if you wanted means if your resume has been not getting shortlisted or needs some improvements or needs some like if you don't have like content to write in your resume, you can just book a one-on-one session with me where we will be discussing about like how we can improve your resume, how we can increase your ATS score, how your resume should be looking well crafted enough. We will be discussing that because your resume is only one thing would be helping you out to be get like shortlisted and get a place for the any of our companies. So it's mandatory to have a one-on-one resume, so would be best. Okay, then other thing I have, that is a programming interview sheet, so which would be considered about like a C++, Python and Java questions have been there, and here you can mark, unmark whatever the questions have been there. And finally, you can also book ultimate placement prep package. So this is often a package in which a one-on-one mentorship would be there with me, with all the guidance and all the resources, all the resume template which you would be requiring for the complete like a placement preparation, or if you wanted to switch to the other company, would be there all the dedicated resources and everything. You can book this one-on-one mentorship or can take this placement package. It has like a 1 year validity, so I will be there to help you out like wherever like I can help it out in being a resume review or being a one-on-one mentorship, or to improve your communication skills, or to have like a mock interview, or you need some guidance or suggestions regarding the placements or other stuff. I am there, so you can just have take this package. Would be happy to help you out. So you can see few of like a structured learning for success and aspiring company, how it would be benefiting you. You can just connect on like social media community. So would be building a SWE180 community. So loves you all to be there and support us. These are like a few of our trusted learners which I had been mentored and have been placed at amazing company. So it's been amazing. Few of an exciting features are been there going to come, that is algorithm visualizer, personalization path, SDE core, DSA sheet and aptitude resources. And by the way, I had like those who have been booked like a resume review or I had a mock interview with me, like few of our people already know that how the SD core DSA sheet and patterns have been going to look, and it has been like two of a crazy and got like amazing of response from them. So we'll be showing you in the upcoming time. No idea when the would be launching it, but soon I'll be launching it because there have been few things need to be done and other things have been to adjust. So we'll be taking a little bit of time, but soon, I just promise you. So you can meet your instructor who is been there. So AarshPatel, and few of a bunch of queries if you can read it out, and was crafted by all the SWE warriors. And if you have like any of ideas or suggestions, you can just submit your request on a new feature request, or if you find out any of a bug, please report it. And if any of you wanted to sponsorship or have some collaboration with us, you can just mail or just fill out a form. We'd be happy to reach out to you. So this was all about stuff, and also we have like a progress tracker. So here you can just track all the progress, like what are the things have been there. We would be working on improving like some of our UI and UX, so we'll be doing that in a time. So this was one of my dream project which is been have built around it, but this is just been a start. Like all the crazy stuff are been pending and it has been into the list. We'll be doing it, so just need your support. And you can watch out how was my desk setup here. That's pretty much. See you in the upcoming video. Take care.